Alright, I'm here checking out the bike. I wanted to just give you guys a video, see if you guys could help me out. So what I'm going to do now, show you guys what's going on. So this is the regulator rectifier, I believe. It's got these wires coming out of it. So we have a red, an orange, a blue, a green, and 3 yellows. Now the 3 yellows are connected into the 3 whites that you see here. And those 3 whites go to the stator. So 3 yellows to 3 whites. Then I have green connected to the black coming out of here. Then I have this red just sitting here. If I test it, it tests full battery power. But it's just sitting here, it's not connected to anything. I have the red from the regulator rectifier running up into my battery. And what it does is I just kind of, it connects into here, goes into this cord, through this fuse into the battery. So I have 2 fuses up here. I have the main fuse, it's for the red cord, and then I have this fuse coming off of the regulator rectifier back into the battery. Then, continue on. So the regulator rectifier is grounded, I guess, also because underneath this bolt I don't know if you can see it very well, but I've shaved it down to pretty much bare metal with some sandpaper, and I also did the same to the back end around this little bolt section on the back of this, and so it's bolted down pretty tight to bare metal. So someone told me that would ground it. I don't know if that's correct, but that's why I made the video, so you guys could tell me. These 2 cords, the orange and the blue, they come around here and connect where the regulator rectifier used to connect to. So I have my green and my brown over here, and yeah, so they're connected in. But underneath these, see the blue's coming up to this, the orange is coming up to this up there, to this one, green. There's also a black cord coming out of here, which I assume was the common ground for the regulator, the old regulator, but I don't know what to do with it. I think Xs650 or somebody way more knowledgeable than I am told me that you don't have to do anything with it. Okay, so next, I guess, is to let me see, we'll go to the headlight. Headlight's kind of a mess. This is my tachometer. It's the only thing I'm going to connect back, but it's disconnected completely. We'll just set this aside for now, not let this wires get in the way. Okay, so this is where the messy part is. This is my ignition switch. Coming off of it, I have my red main power feed coming through. It gets full battery voltage. I have brown going out. It sends out full battery voltage. I have brown connected to 2 browns. One is coming from up top here, out of my right hand switch on the handlebars. So the brown comes out of there, and I feed it into the brown wire. This brown's coming out of down over here. I don't necessarily know where it goes to, but it's running through this hole up into here. And then I've noticed that there's another brown connection right here, but I don't know what to connect to it, to be honest. I have this red and yellow that's going up to this red and yellow up into here. You can see it better from this angle. Let me show you. You can see the red yellow right here. That's what it's connected to, so it's good. I get ignition when I turn the bike over. I just don't get charged anymore. And then the blue connected to blue, but just one for now because I'm not quite sure. And yes, I think that's the whole configuration I have right now. There's some cords in here that are a little iffy. I'll try to show you just about like what they are and what they go to. But I don't know if you can see into here, but this connection back here, it's like a dark green or something. I can't see colors very well, which makes this very difficult. And it goes and it runs down into this. Let's see if I can focus a little better. Into this cable. You can see that color. So, yeah, probably a lot to throw at you guys all at once. But yeah, if you see anything wrong, let me know. The rotor is measuring 5.4. The stator is 0.5 resistance across in between each of the white wires. And then I think it's infinity or whatever. It's all within spec from the white to any ground or something like that. But I have the instructions and I went through it thoroughly. So yeah, the battery is testing at like 11.11 right now. That's because it's just uncharged. I'm quite sure that the battery has been killed by all the different, just sitting, being charged over and over again and all that other stuff. So, yep. Any thoughts? Thanks.